Na sensemo yaye umowaziri wa mang'ana ya basaya Babu Namwamba nigo aineke buna serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nebegete mirubire saine yoko inyora abasaye anena sensemo yemirimo.
As the minister that has been given the privilege and the responsibility to lead the government's program for the youth, I want to tell the young people of Kenya that you are a top priority for the Kenya Kwanza government. Top priority. And every time I interact with your president, with your deputy president, I'm reminded of that fact, that the youth of Kenya are a top priority for the Kenya Kwanza government. And I know from cabinet to interactions with the president and his deputy that His Excellency President William Ruto and Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua are conducting an orchestra called the Kenya Kwanza Orchestra. The guide of that orchestra is called The Plan. And in that orchestra, the lead tune is Jobs, Jobs, Jobs. That's the lead tune. Jobs, Jobs, Jobs.